Mother, very important. Father, very important. Allah is reminding you and I and commanding you and I to always remember to take care of your parents. And from here I say, please take care of them before you lose them. Because whenever you lose them, you will never get them again. Anytime I'm about to talk about a mother, about mothers, I remember my mother. I lost 5 months ago. It's not easy. It's not. Every Friday, before I go give khutbah, I will call her and say, please pray for me. Please. Every Friday I call my mother. I'm going to give khutbah. I need your prayers. She said, go, may Allah bless you and make it easy. I say, Ameen. Wallahi al-Azim, today when I took my key, I was talking to my wife saying I'm leaving. I stood by the door. I remember my mother. Even if I call, she cannot answer. So take care of your parents before you lose them. Do not play with your mother. Always give them the maximum respect they deserve. Listen to Allah. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ لَا تَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. When we took the covenant with the children of Israel that worship none except Allah, and be dutiful to your parents. Be kind to your parents. If you have them around, don't play with it. Never argue with them. Always say, okay, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you. You don't know when you're going to lose them. Surah An-Nisa, وَاعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَلَا تُشْرِكُوا بِهِ شَيْئًا وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. And worship Allah. Do not associate a partner to Him. وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. And be dutiful. Be kind to your parents. Don't play with it. قل تعالوا أتل ما حرم ربكم عليكم ألا تشركوا به شيئا وبالوالدين إحسانا. سورة الأنعام. قل تعالوا أتل ما حرم ربكم عليكم. Come, let me recite what your Lord has forbidden you to do. ألا تشركوا به شيئا. That worship none but Him. Do not associate a partner to Him. وبالوالدين إحسانا. And be kind to your parents. Please, never play with them. Give them the maximum respect they deserve. Didn't you hear what Allah said in Surah Al-Luqman? حَمَلَتْهُ أُمُّهُ وَهْنًا عَلَى وَهْنٍ وَفِصَالُهُ فِي عَامَيْنِ. His mother carried him in her womb, hardship upon hardship, and weaned him, breastfeeding him for 2 years. And ishkurli, thank me, your Creator. وَلِوَالِدَيْكَ, and your parents. This is what Allah said. Parents are very important, my brothers and sisters. And to the kids who are here, please respect your parents. No one loves you more than them. Your parents love you. So if they tell you to do something, it's because of love. Whatever your mother will tell you to do is for your own good. So please respect your mom, the kids. Never talk back to your mom, please. If you want God to bless you, you don't talk back to mommy. You don't talk back to daddy. When mommy talk, you said, okay, mommy. Why did you do it? I'm sorry, mommy. Please forgive me. This is how you speak to mom. Never bang the door. Leave me alone to your mom. If you say that, God is not going to bless you. And if you say to your mom, leave me alone, God will leave you alone. So you respect those parents even if they're not Muslim. Always ask them to pray for you. Go to Surah Isra. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ. And your Lord has decreed that worship none but Him. وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. And be kind to your parents. إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أو كلاهما فلا تقل لهما أف فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما. Our scholars said لو كان هناك كلمة أقل من كلمة أف لنهى الله عنها. Allah said, do not say to your mom, just look at me. Like you're tired. You see this little word? Allah said, do not say it to your parents. Our scholars say